Parents, do you know what the Life360 Family Locator app is? Well, my name is Josh Oakes, and I'm with SmartSocial.com. I travel the country teaching students how to shine online, how to be safe and smart on the internet. What is the Life360 Family Locator app? Well, here's what their marketing says. It says, get notified when family members come home. Next, it says stay connected to those who matter most, see a timeline of locations, trips, and drives, become a family of better, safer drivers, and keep your family safe on the road. Now, what is this app? Well, the Life360 Family Locator is a real-time location sharing app. The app uses GPS location data to report the location of users. The app can be used on Android and iOS, so your iPhone. To use the app, everyone installs the app on their device and registers using the system. Then they will appear as an icon on the map, but they have to share their location with you, so not everybody sees it automatically. Users create geofences around their home and other frequently visited destinations to get notified when friends and family come and go from the location. Now, to gain more features, users can sign up for a premium account, which has some really neat stuff. You can see where your kids have been for more than a day, more than a month, and other neat features. Now, what is this app? Well, the app has a built-in panic button, which sends out an emergency message to predetermined emails and phone numbers with the user's location, and it's available for free. Users can message their family through the app. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to give you the chance to talk about Parent University, so please consider forwarding this video onto your superintendent, your principal, or your PTA so we can talk in the end about Parent University. Now, what is this app? Well, with Driver Protect, which is a feature inside of it, users can see if their friends and family are speeding, if they're texting while driving, or if they have been in a car accident. In the event of a car accident, the app calls the user involved to see if they're okay and dispatch emergency services if needed. Now, why should parents care? Well, if your family uses the Life360 Family Locator app, be aware that your children can start sharing their location with their friends. Location tracking apps can drain batteries quickly, so be careful. This one seems to do an okay job at not draining the battery, though. Some users report that the location tracking data is not always updated in real time. Unlike iPhones, Android devices do not have a built-in location tracking app. So this app, Life360 Family Locator, can be helpful for families with different devices, basically families that some people have Androids and some have iPhones. This works cross-platform. Location tracking apps show your students' location, which can potentially put them in dangerous situations if they share it with strangers. It doesn't share it with everybody, but if they decide that it's okay to share it with strangers, that could be potentially very bad. Now, here's what the news says. Popular Science says stop worrying about where your kids are and what they're doing. Life360 Family Locator shows your family members on a map so you can always keep track of them. USA Today says grab the Life360 Family Locator app for keeping tabs on your kids even when you're not around. With live updates that sync with their smartphones, you'll always know where they are even if they forget to text you when they arrive. Now, what can parents do? Well, when setting up location sharing apps, restrict who your student can share their location with so that their data isn't public and strangers can't access their location. Discuss why sharing their location with others can be dangerous. Next, before giving them access to a device, create a plan with your children for how often and when they should check in with you when they're not or when they're out of the house, basically. And that starts with a good dialogue. Android devices don't have this built-in option, as we've talked about before, for tracking phones. However, families with iPhones can use another app for 100% free called Find My iPhone, with families sharing to see where their children are in real time. My family personally has been using the Find My Friend, Find My iPhones feature in the iPhone for years, and we love it. This feature makes it so that you can FaceTime with your family without waiting to see if they're home. You know where they're at. You don't have to bother them. It is terrific. Now let's talk about Parent University. This is a program where I help to train communities all over the world, all over the country, And please consider forwarding this to your principal. Parent University, we have a different approach. You see, we believe in building a positive profile with showing students how to shine online, being safe online. You see, some of our videos teach parents and students how to protect themselves from the bad people out there. And last, anti-bullying. We show students how to look out for each other and report an issue. We also have tutorials. These are safety videos that you watch with your kids to teach them good and bad behaviors, smart videos, tutorials your kids watch in high school and middle school to use to understand the positive use of apps to build their online footprint, and prevention videos parents watch without their kids to learn the safety issues and dialogue tips to work with their kids before it comes up. Week 1 is Snapchat class. As soon as you dive in, I teach you in 8 to 10 minutes how Snapchat works and all the hidden features. Week 2 is Instagram class. You dive in and you get to learn Instagram. Next is a safety class for parents and students together. These are for junior high and middle school students and some elementary school students. Stuff that they need to know that you might not know to teach them, and it makes me the bad person so that you can be ahead of the game. Next is week 4. This is an anti-bullying class for students. This gives them a vocabulary of how to look out for people that are being mean at school. Districts, if you're watching this, we can train your whole community using week 4 and all these other weeks so that kids have a vocabulary. Week 5 is a social media resume building class for students in junior high school, middle school, and especially high school. How to set up all these networks in a positive way. Basically, how to get to point A to point B before you have the car so that you know how to use the car with a purpose. And then week 6 is a parent safety class. You watch these videos to get up to speed and ahead of your kids. How to find hidden apps on teens' phones seems to be a popular one, but it's a whole playlist of all kinds of good videos. If you buy the yearly plan, using the link below, you can immediately download all of my digital safety books on a PDF. You don't have to buy them $15 each on Amazon. Week 8 is a cell phone contract class that you give to your kids, and they watch this video with you so that I become the bad person and tell them why they need to have a cell phone contract. And then you also get invited to our Parent University Facebook page so that you can see what other parents are asking and ask great questions. And then you get Footprint Friday, which is a tool that we developed to teach parents exactly how colleges and employers will search for their teens and tweens in 5 minutes or less each week. You can monitor your kids online. Here's what you get: safety videos, smart videos, prevention videos, Footprint Friday, Facebook group. Go click that link below so that we can protect your family in Parent University. Guys, I'm glad and I'm thankful that you're in our family here at SmartSocial.com, helping us to train the world how to keep kids safe on the internet. It's a scary world out there, but we do have a purpose. We do have a mission and a plan for your family. And that plan is teaching your kids how to shine online, how to be light, bright, and polite so they protect their future while still being safe at the same time now. Please consider having a dialogue with your kids. Please talk with your kids about the bad things that can happen, the good things. Go Google your kids, jump into Parent University, and take a look around and watch some of the videos with your children. No one else is going to be able to train your kids quite like you are, and we would be honored if you'd consider using our resources. I'm Josh Oakes with SmartSocial.com, dedicating a portion of my life to helping to protect your family. I hope you'll join us. You can learn more at SmartSocial.com. Have a great day, and as always, keep it light, bright, and polite. Take care.